Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be going over this palette right here called Must Have Palette from Beauty Glazed. I believe that some people are comparing this palette to the Morphe palette. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and give you guys some swatches, and I think I will start from the first row all the way down. So I'm just going to put the first row all on one arm and then move on to the second and move on to the third, fourth, and fifth. Yeah, I think you guys get my drift. Okay, so let's go check out these swatches. So we're going to mimic what we did on this eye, Now the first thing we are going to do is take up our transition color, and I'm going to be using this color right here on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be applying that with my S06. I gotta get used to this. It's a blending brush. And I'm going to take just a little bit of that pigment, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that just above the crease and trying to intensify the color. So once you have that on, it should look something like this. I went ahead and took it all the way up to the brow. And now what I'm going to do is be using this dark berry color right here. And I'm going to be using my S09 brush, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of that pigment and applying that inside the crease just to darken it up some. I want this color a little bit more darker. I'm going to go in with this brown right here, and I'm going to be taking the same brush, the S09, and I'm going to be picking up a little bit of that pigment, and I'm going to darken it up even more so I get this berry wine color, almost black but not really. Using the same brush that we picked up our transition color with, I'm going to go ahead and start blending out those harsh lines just to make it look like more of a gradient. Have something that looks like this. Now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to put down our lid color, which is going to be this color right here. Is that the right one? That's the right one. This color right here. And you're going to take a flat brush. I'm using my S20, and it is wet. So you need to wet your brush if that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to place that color all over the lid, kind of creating a cut crease but not. So when you're done, it should look like this. Now I'm going to be taking a clean flat brush. I have no idea who this is by. It's by Coastal Scents. There's no numbers or anything like that. I'm going to be taking this color right here, and then I am going to pop that color right into the center of my eye. So I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to drag it down. And then once I get done dragging it down to the lash line, I'm going to kind of feather it out. So we're done with that. We're almost done. I'm going to be taking this, is that the right color? This one, the champagne color right here. And then I'm going to be taking a clean brush, which is my S42. And then I'm going to take a little bit on that brush a little bit of that pigment, and then I'm going to pop that in the corners of my eye. Now that that is done, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and I will be using, it's actually a lip brush to tell you the truth. I find it easier working with that because it's got shorter bristles, it's harder, and it's stiffer, so I can actually just kind of just stamp it on as soon as I find it. It's called the S11, and it's actually a lip brush that comes in with the brush set that I'm using, the bamboo brush set. I really like this one a lot. They're very professional and soft and easy to clean because I cleaned them a couple times already. So I'm taking a black liner and keeping my tape on, and I'm gonna wing out my liner. Okay, so I went ahead and took off the tape and put a little bit of powder underneath to catch any fallout. So for underneath the eye, I am going to go with this blue color right here, and I'm going to be using an S14. And for the waterline, I'm going to be taking this LA Girl gel liner, and it's in this color. It's in blue. It's blue. It looks kind of green. It's blue. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It's blue. Okay, it's blue. So I'm gonna do that and pop on some lashes, finish the rest of my makeup, and then this is the final look. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know if I need to zoom in. You guys let me know if you want me to zoom in so you guys get a closer take of what I did. Leave those comments down below. I really like this palette. It's pretty good for it to be pretty cheap. You know, it's linked down below. I don't know what dupe this would be for. I think some people were saying it's a dupe for like a Morphe or something like that. One of the Morphe palettes. It works out pretty well. Pretty high pigmented. I didn't get any fallout from it. And yeah, that's it. So make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and share this tutorial. Sharing is caring. Sharing is much appreciated. Anyway, until the next video, see you later. Bye.